All right, let's do the brake test. Let's be cruising along at 70. When we hit
The change of time at the line, full emergency stop, alright.
I'm gonna left foot brake it. His reactions are usually a bit better than mine. Brake, baby, brake. Here we go. Yes. Oh.
You're very, very close. You might want to check that mat but you lost.
Did I lose? I think he might be right. I hate the fact that he might be right. Let me just go and have a look.
Just accept it, mate. Yep, scratch that head.
Just put your car in neutral a second. Just want to check something.
Yeah, I'm good, mate.
You know what was going to happen.
I know. The Audi. Get the Golf out of the way. That is going nowhere.
Yeah, Dad. Get out of the way, Golf. Go on, out of the way.
Oh. Really?
Do you know what? I'm glad it beat you. The Audi has beaten him. I don't he didn't win. The Audi's beaten him.
तो वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सो मच.